Can the Tacoma continue its reign as the sales king of the midsize truck segment? It's got to bring its A game because the segment is full of all new models within the last couple of years from competitors. Toyota can't afford to lose a step, so they've given the Taco a full makeover for 2024. Did they do it, or is there a better option out there? Stick around until the end to find out. The Toyota pickup was introduced to the American market in 1972, and it was based on the global Hilux from the rest of the world. The Tacoma nameplate didn't appear until 1995, when it started to part ways with the Hilux. To call it a sales success would be an understatement. It's a juggernaut. It had sales of more than 100,000 trucks every year since 1996, and nearly 250,000 annually since 2018. And it's easy to see why with Toyota's legendary reliability and overall low cost of ownership. Plus, people just want trucks. Toyota is toughening up the midsizzer's exterior. Imagine a chiseled athlete carved from pumping iron. That's the 2024 Tacoma's vibe. The grille's more prominent, the fenders are flared, and sequential LED headlights are standard since that was the first mod most owners made to their trucks. Whether you choose the entry-level SR or the off-road ready TRD Pro, each trim has its own personality with the Limited adding a bit of bling. It looks more like the full-size Tundra that it's based on, which makes sense because the two trucks share the same platform now. Oh, and that big air dam in front? More on that later. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that's finally caught up with the times. The dual digital displays are crisp and intuitive. Each trim has its own unique accents in the cabin with varying degrees of soft touch materials and ruggedness. The optional synthetic leather upholstery feels as inviting as a pair of well-worn hiking boots. Extended and double cab options are available, so the Tacoma has you covered no matter how much interior space you need. Under the hood, the 2024 Tacoma packs a punch. All trims come with a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, but in two flavors, 228 horsepower for the base model, or up to 278 for others. Both pair with an 8-speed automatic transmission or a 6-speed manual, and you can choose rear wheel or 4-wheel drive. Suspension-wise, some models get traditional leaf springs, but most have new coil springs that offer a much smoother ride, especially on road. You won't mistake this for a Camry, but it's comfortable for a truck. Towing capacity is rated for up to 6,500 pounds, and the Tacoma can reach 60 miles per hour in just 7.0 seconds. So it's definitely not slow. Purists will miss the 6-cylinder and demand Toyota brings it back, but that's just not going to happen. What do you think of this new engine lineup? Tell me in the comments below, and on your way down there, hit the like button and subscribe because, well, it's free. So, remember that oversized air dam up front that some people are going to rip off right away? It's to help fuel economy by driving air away from the underbody. Toyota estimates the optional engine will get up to 21 mpg city and 26 mpg highway, while the base engine ups the ante to 23 mpg city and 28 mpg highway. Does the air dam help? Well, maybe, but Toyota's got the wind tunnel, so let's give them the benefit of the doubt. Either way, that means more miles on the trail and less cash at the pump. Can't argue with that, right? Toyota takes safety seriously, and the Tacoma is no exception. Standard features include automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. Higher trims add blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and more, giving you extra peace of mind when navigating tricky situations. Toyotas are legendary for their reliability, with some Tacoma running for hundreds of thousands of miles with just regular maintenance. It consistently ranks at the top of reliability surveys, boasting a reputation for managing the toughest terrains even though most usually don't go off the pavement. So, if you're looking for a truck that won't leave you stranded, the Tacoma is a solid bet. The 2024 Tacoma starting MSRP of $32,995 for the entry-level SR trim makes it competitive in the mid-size truck segment. The most popular will probably be the next trim up, the SR5 priced at $37,695. The rugged TRD off-road starts at $43,295, and the range-topping Limited tops the Taco pricing chart at $53,595. Many option packages are available from the factory, and then there's the whole aftermarket segment to truly customize your rig. The Tacoma faces stiff competition from the likes of the Ford Ranger, Chevy Colorado, GMC Canyon, Nissan Frontier, and Jeep Gladiator. Each of these are all new within the last couple of years, except the Jeep. They offer their own strengths and weaknesses, so weigh your priorities carefully before making a decision. But let's be real, favorites run deep. Unless you're one of the few that hasn't already made up your mind about which truck you're gonna get, a few $1,000s here or there may not make a difference. If you prioritize reliability and appreciate a touch of modern refinement, the 2024 Toyota Tacoma is a compelling choice. But if you are undecided on which midsize truck to buy, just know you have options. The Chevy Colorado is a solid midsize truck in its own right. The Colorado's refresh was just as extensive in 2023, if not more so than the Tacoma. It can easily compete with Taco, even if sales numbers aren't nearly the same. To find out more about the Colorado, watch this video.